What did you say, Louis? What did you say?
I'm training, Arnold. I gotta get a good pump.
You made too much noise. It has to be very quiet here, like in the church.